Yeah. Police helicopter. There it goes! It's a big one.
So I'm assuming when we come back, we'll get off that side and have to go up and over the bridge. Oh, that's going to be fun with a suitcase.
Here we are. I've not properly introduced the video yet. We're here at Tamworth station this time. Going to Blackpool on our holiday. I think we're going to have to come and do some train spotting here, Mama Bear.
Easy to get to, isn't it? What?
Oh yeah. Let us know in the videos if you would like to see some train spotting content from us. And we can still hear that police helicopter going around. Yeah, there we go. Look, behind the yellow line, just having a lean over with the phone. We've seen a few train spotting videos from here and saw them coming this way and through. A lot of freight trains. Hopefully we might see one.
Nice to do a difference. Oh, here it is.
Oh yes, there it is. Can't see it on the video.
Police helicopter.
Oh, there.
Somebody's being naughty facing in there. Oh, look, a train.
Well, they sneak up on you, don't they? Wow.
Catch up with that other one, quick.
Yeah.
Oh
my gosh! Oh yeah, we're definitely coming back here again.
There must be a lift. Thank God. It's not looking forward to having to leave the suitcase up on the stairs when we come back. There must be a lift.
Look what that sign says.
Oh, thank God for that.
Oh, there you go! We're off to London.
So we stay on this one to Crewe.
Yeah.
And then get one from Crewe to Preston.
Yeah.
Let's find you a forward-facing seat then. Lots of seats, look. Another problem.
Plenty. It's a long one. As you can see, we have arrived at Crewe, which is our first changeover, and we don't know where we're going. We need to get to Preston.
I think it's the Glasgow train because it was the Glasgow. Ooh, it's warm up here. Train 2 of the day.
one and we don't know where we're going.
Signage. Going to all the platforms.
We went under the track last time and we've gone over it this time.
Easier way
The one we just got off, it's now on its way to Glasgow. And the one we're getting on, I think I saw it coming in. I saw a train coming in. Whether it's ours or a different one. It is ours!
Leighton and Blackpool North. This train is formed of 6 coaches.
Let the holiday begin. I don't know if the camera can pick up that they're testing audio. We've just checked into the hotel. As you can see, suitcase is no longer with us. And we're sat here just watching. It is currently 1 minute to 10, which means the park opens
1 hour.
in 1 hour. So excited to see some stuff testing. Oh my goodness, it's 11:15 and we're in. We were just around the front and it was so busy. Well, not busy, but there was a lot of school kids. So now we've got to head to guest services. For everybody else. If we can remember the way there, that is.
Oh, there's Icon.
Oh, I can hear the train. Oh, my jumper's falling. Okay, this way then. I don't think we can go that way. Whoa! Good morning, Icon! Where is it? There it is. She's gone. Trying to hold my jumper. Ooh, trap walk going on. Okay. He's following me. Oh my goodness. There we go, it's nearly 4 o'clock and we've just been on Icon again. Sorry for the sporadic videos, we've been into town, done some shopping. Back in the park now for the last hour. So excited. Having an amazing first day here at Blackpool. We've done Icon twice! And now for the mile up the stairs.
No, I'm alright.
Did nobody warn us about the Grand National? We've just
Have a tic-tac.
We've just been on the Grand National and I just don't have words. Everything hurts.
That was the most god-awful ride I've ever been on. I swear the train left the track. I swear it did. It was such a bang every time it went down a
It's
hill.
not very often that I feel sick after a ride, but oh my god, I feel. You can see the colour of my face.
I think some of that's fear.
Yeah. Oh my god, the second it got off the lift hill and that first drop, half of me just left. Oh my god, right, I just don't have any words. See you when we leave the park. Okay, this way then. I don't think we can go that way. Whoa! Good morning, Icon! She's gone!